Hello, welcome back to Everything Dance. Today I'm going to be doing some more ribbon work. Check back at my other two previous ribbon videos to see more ribbon work with different ribbons and for different purposes. Today we will be using 3 metre ribbons and I will be using 2 of them. Why not try a développé, maybe to the side with 1 lasso and 1 stirring off the floor, and then maybe into a lunge, figure of 8 opposite arms, and then figure of 8 with the same arms in the same direction. Now how about a pas de chat with 2 small face mirror circles and then 2 large side circles. You could do overs. So you could make over into crouch. Make sure you put your head down to make the shape. So it's over into crouch. Or try it into a position after the over. So you could make over, 4th with 3rd arabesque. Over, change the arms as you do 4th, and you could go to say 1st arabesque. So every ending you could have different arms. I'll do that one again. Over into 4th with the feet and making 3rd arabesque with the arms. Check what arm's up, always the back arm. You don't want the front arm, where it hides your face. And then I did over, switch the arms and go into 1st arabesque. This is a nice one on point shoes because you could make the 4th with the feet in a nice rise on point. You could even add some piqué as you're doing the over. It's very effective if you're using this in ballet for point work. You can also do rainbows in this where you throw the ribbon over. Now we did that with 1 ribbon where you throw it and catch it in the other one, making sure it makes a whole semicircle above your head. But why not try with your students rainbow with 2, throwing them, making sure they cross in the centre and catch. Also partner work's good for this, so you can practice rainbows catching from other people, which encourages them to throw a long way. So you can make different overs. So let's see a bit of that with the music. You can also make overs and open, overs, See how they circle between. So this goes down, Do one more time with the open. Down and over, down and over, down and over, down and over. anybody gets their ribbon tangled or definitely knotted, this means they're not making big enough shapes or continual shapes. And remind students, don't think about what the wand is doing, always think about the very end of the ribbon, the tail. Make sure that makes a shape. And I'll show you a little combination for you to practice before I bring out my next video on ribbons. It's very complex and it will need a lot of practice, but it can look very effective when done fast. So with your two ribbons, you're going to flip, let's say your right hand, remember practice it both ways on both hands, but for the demonstration. So my right hand is going to flip back right behind me. Now you want to join all these moves up as quick as you can, but I'm breaking it down. As you do that, you're going to place your left ribbon under your armpit. Don't put it too far back because you'll need to grab it in a minute. So a good amount forward. Then you're going to quickly exchange the top hand. So now you've got the flip ribbon in your left hand. As you're starting to grab the other wand, your right hand to the one under your arm, this one's going to circle round behind your head. Remember, when you do it fast, your ribbon's going to make that nice lasso in the air. And as you do that one, you're going to release this ribbon here. And as soon as you release it, you want to flip it to start again. So we've actually swapped the ribbons. This might be useful for your students to have two different colour ribbons, and then they get which one's supposed to be where. So I'll show you one more time. Always start all your ribbon moves in a nice start position and a nice finish position, a bit like gymnastics. Even if you go completely wrong on a gymnastic stunt, you always smile and pose at the end. So right hand flips behind you. Left hand, put the ribbon under your arm. Circle the left hand, taking the ribbon from under your arm, and bring them both round. But don't delay, flip again. Pass, circle, and bring round. Flip, under, change, circle, flip, pass, round your head as you take this one and round. So I'd be very interested to see your attempts on this. If you can post them to my YouTube, I'd like to see that and see who achieves this stunt. Well, that's all for this one. Next time, my next ribbon video will be with a much longer ribbon. So we'll go back to using just one ribbon from now. Don't forget, these ones were 3 meters. If you can't get the right size, you can always buy a longer ribbon and cut the end off if you want to practice with shorter ribbons. Always coordinate your ribbons to your outfit if you're doing a show or a demonstration. You don't want a very multicoloured outfit because that will detract from your ribbons. So try to be a plain colour or one colour, but make it coordinate with your ribbon colour. So until next time, happy dancing. Don't forget to leave a comment below and have a look at my Patreon account if you're not sure what that's about. It's about for you supporting my channel for dancing, and in exchange for your support you can get some free thank you gratitude gifts, one of which is to come and have a free dance holiday in Cyprus. So check that out, ask me any questions in the comment below. Until next time, happy dancing, goodbye.